I'm cooking something very special. With the top chef, I'm cooking green chicken. Welcome back everyone, QMB Australia. Today we're making green chicken with Bedanto as chef guest.
Hello everyone, it's Bedanto here. So we are up for green chicken today and let's get started.
For the marination process, you will need chicken drumsticks 1 kilo, vinegar 1 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, 5 to 6 tablespoons, oil 1 tablespoon, mint leaves 2 cups,
The second one.
2 green chilies. For the gravy, you need 4 onions, coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, cumin 1 tablespoon, garam masala 1 tablespoon, salt 1 tablespoon, black pepper powder 1 tablespoon, 2 cups,
The second one.
coriander leaves 2 cups. For fragrance and final touches, kasuri methi 2 tablespoons. Alright, so start off with washing your hands thoroughly when you're dealing with chicken. Now grab a bowl and your chicken, and now we're going to start by peeling off the chicken. Make sure to use a knife, don't get yourself injured, and take the chicken out. Make sure to wash it because it is a raw meat and you do not want to be catching any diseases. Wash it thoroughly for at least 10 seconds. Put it into a bowl readily available. The chef recommends about 1 kilo of chicken, but this can be 600 grams, so it's totally up to you. Now grab your vinegar. I want to add 1 spoon of vinegar all around. Now get your ginger garlic paste and add 1 spoon each of the ginger garlic paste. I'm using 2 separate, but you can use one. They do sell that, but here it's 2 separate: ginger paste and garlic. Anyways, a turmeric. Add your turmeric and the yogurt. So make sure it's spread about 1 tablespoon around your whole product. May take a while to get it out of the bottle jar. Add up to 5 spoons of yogurt. We're going to mix it all up. After this, you want to first mix it up, then add the salt. You'll see in the next slide. Now add the salt. Make sure to add a generous amount. I would say 2 to 3 tablespoons of salt. Make sure to spread it all around. You really want that nice texture from the chicken. And this is the final product after marination. Now you're going to leave this for 10 to 15 minutes while we're preparing the gravy. So grab a board and you need your bay leaves and coriander and onion. Also, now you want to cut up your coriander, wash it thoroughly. Cut it all up. You'll be blending this next. Okay, so this is your coriander all cut. And now your bay leaves. Don't cut them into big chunks or small chunks, just the medium chunks. It's vital for the blending. Remove all any stems. Just make sure it's just the leaves. And add a glass of water, put it all around. And chili. Now we're going to be peeling the onion. This may take a while, but recommendation from myself and the chef is to cut them up before you peel them. You can just cut it up and then the skin will just peel right off. It saves you so much time rather than peeling those onion skins. So something great tip. Now we're going to be frying the onions. So turn, if you have a gas oven or just electric, doesn't matter. Alrighty, so now get your stove, the pot, and place all around. And put your onions there and let them simmer until they're golden brown. You'll see after. This may take up to 10 minutes, but you want that nice texture to be see-through, and spread it all around. Put them gently so you don't get sprayed. The chef does recommend this pro tip. Put them slowly always. Any food that you put in on a frying pan, make sure not to put it fast. Put it very slowly and a few pieces at a time. Don't just dump it and be stirring it all the time. You see here, time lapse. And you can see some of them going already golden brown, some are not. You need to just wait until they're golden brown. Okay, so that is all golden brown, crispy and nice. And now we're gonna get our blender. I have a NutriBullet here. You can use any blender that works and put all your bay leaves, coriander, onion, and water inside. You want to put a generous amount. This is a pro tip. You can add some ginger garlic paste to give a nice flavor, and add your onion too, of course. And I'll blend it up, and it may take a while for the blending. If it's too hard to blend, add some more water. But you don't want it too watery. See a nice texture here. Okay, now I'm going to be putting the chicken. Put all the chicken, put the sauce to cover it up, and it will be sizzling there for about 15 minutes. Don't want to overcook it. Okay, and now we'll be adding some more. We'll be adding the cumin and all the other spices, turmeric seeds, coriander seeds, all of that.
Ma'am, the cookies were
Add it to
fantastic.
the texture.
Yes.
1 teaspoon each, not too much.
That is the thing.
That's the problem. I can't make it work,
Add some more salt, stir it up, and now we're gonna put the curry. Spread it all around. And let it sizzle there for about 10 minutes before you cover the lid. Cover it with a lid for another 5 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes. You really have to see how your heat is. Should be on a high flame when you're in the pot. A few minutes there. Just open it up to check how it's going. Should be good. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to serve on a nice plate and let your guests enjoy this absolute delight.